again, this is Vasilis here, and we will continue with a problem for the EPSO exam. What it says is that if the price of petrol increases by 25% and someone intends to spend only an additional 15% on petrol, by how much percent will he reduce the quantity of petrol purchased? So what's happening is that if the price of something increases, like here increases by 25%, but you want to spend only 15% more, since the increase is 25%, you have to reduce the quantity purchased. Okay? This is a very general category of problems that is about the same, has the same mathematical structure, and it's solved in the same way. So be very careful in the way that we deal with the problem, because this is very general. So first of all, I'll tell you a trick here that's very important. You see here 25% and 15%. These are the only two numbers that I have in my problems, and they are percentages. Remember the rule. If I have only percentages and not absolute numbers, for example, he doesn't tell me that the quantity I purchased before is 2 kilos, this is an absolute number, but I don't have absolute numbers here, I have only percentages. So if it happens, it doesn't matter what is the initial price and the initial quantity that I bought. What I mean is that I don't know the price of petrol before, and I don't know the quantity that I bought before the increase. And I don't care about that, because actually, since I have percentages here, I can put any number. So what I'll do is, here is the price of petrol, here is the quantity that I buy, and here is the amount that I pay. Okay, so suppose that the price before was 100. Can I do that? Of course. I can place here 1, 2, 10, whatever. It's very easy to handle things if you have 100. You will see that later. And suppose that the quantity I bought before the increase was also 100. Don't care if the numbers here are real, if they are numbers that I really can do. So maybe it seems a big number. You don't care about that. You just put two numbers here. Okay? So the amount that I paid before was 100 times 100, and that's 10,000 euro. Okay? After the increase, because the increase is 25%, from 100 it will go to 125. Okay? This is the new price. And the new quantity, I don't know that, because actually I need to see how much percent I will reduce the quantity. It means I don't know the new quantity, so I have to put an unknown number here, x. But I know that the new amount that I pay is 15% more than my old amount. So new amount is the old amount increased by 15%. As we know from our methodologies, it's multiplied by 115. So this is 11,500. So you put here 11,500, and you know that the price times quantity now will be 11,500. So what I have is 125 times x equals 11,500. I solve for x, and I have 11,500 divided by 125. This is 92. So my new quantity here is actually 92. I have a blue color here because I didn't have it before. But 92, from 100, I have a decrease of 8. So I have actually a decrease of 8%. And that's what he asks for, because he says how much percent will he reduce the quantity of petrol purchased. So the correct answer is 8%, and I have it here. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the question. In case you continue having any questions after my explanation here, I have an email on the video, and you